I feel like this video was very ignorant and oblivious. I don't understand, why are people so quick to tell you what they think you are? See, I come from a Jamaican background as well, and a lot of my family comes from Asia, Europe, and Africa. And it's almost giving, well, if you look fully black, you can't embrace this culture or that culture. It's kind of messed up. I feel like if you are familiar with a certain culture, maybe the people around you spoke the language, ate the food, everything, then that's what they're familiar with. And I also feel like a lot of people seem to have this tendency of, well, if you have this specific flag in your bio, you have favoritism over this specific culture versus your other. I grew up in a household where I have a lot of Chinese and East Indian influence, and also African influence as well. I have a lot of family from Scotland, Ireland, Israel, Ethiopia, China. Oh my gosh, the list goes on. I got family in Britain. I got family all over the freaking world. Are you going to tell me what cultures I can embrace and can't embrace? And I also feel like people seem to have a tendency of forgetting that a lot of the indentured servants were also slaves. Quote unquote, the word indentured servant is just a nice word for slave. What the African slaves started, the Asian slaves finished off. Specifically the East Asians and the South Asians, which are the Chinese and the Indian. They went through a lot as well. And I just don't get it. Why are people so pressed? Why are you so mad? I don't get that. You are not going to sit here and try to tell me what I can embrace and what I can't embrace. You can't tell anybody that. It's not your life, it's not your body, it's not your soul. So why are you so pressed? You should literally know that Jamaica is an extremely diverse country. I have seen so many black Jamaicans mixed with Chinese. I have seen so many Jamaicans mixed with East Indian, Scottish, Irish, whatever. And you're not going to tell me that I don't look Asian, white, and black. Because clearly you can see that I am. But are you going to say that I can embrace these certain things because I look that way? Because I look ethnically ambiguous? I don't understand why you're so upset. You can't assume that nobody's trying to embrace their African culture when they most likely probably are.